All right, we like to have fun in therapy. I know I always did, and I know you do too. So I'm going to show you some books right now that could just make therapy really fun. And they have some great language things that can be built into them, but they're also, like I said, just really fun and engaging and things that the kids will enjoy. So the first book I want to show you is called Muddle and Match. And this is in a series that has probably 5 other books in it, but it's a mix and match book. And each page is cut into thirds, and you can flip them and make different pictures. So you can make some silly pictures, you can make them all the same, but just do what you like. The thing I love about this book is it's great if you're doing articulation therapy because they have all these alliteration pages that you can read or have your kiddos read. And I think it's really cool because if you have a kid working on multiple sounds or if you're in a group, each of these pages, kind of has different letters that they're alliterating. So you can work on M and B and P all in the same little sentence. And also they just have some really great, adjectives and adverbs and verbs just about all the different things that these animals are doing. So I just think this is a really fun book. You can work on describing these silly pictures. And, I just think that this is a book that could get a lot of laughs out of kids in therapy. So this is really fun. The next book I want to show you is maybe for older kids. This is called the Picture Puzzle Book. Usborne has a few of these. There's an under the sea one, a zoo one, and a farm one. And so each page has, various pictures of a different animal. So obviously this cover is of tigers. And then it has some little prompts of things to search for. So find 4 sleepy tigers. Have you seen my tiger twin? Where is the slithering snake? Can you spot a leopard? So they've got prompts on there. But also this is just, a book that you can, talk about tigers. So describe a tiger, talk about all the different things that a tiger looks like or does or, feels like, all of those things if you're, working on describing. I also think that there's a lot of, different things going on here. The tigers are all doing different things, so you could work on verbs and things like that. So I'll just show you a couple pictures of the inside. Each page is just different. There's lots of fun things. So I feel like you can, use speeches are great at adapting things to fit whatever you need, but there's just a lot of fun pictures in there. So that's a fun one we can use. And then this last one is one of my favorites. It is called the Busy Train book. Got it right here. There's also a busy car book, a busy bug book, and I think a busy helicopter book. So the way that this book works is it comes with this little train, and the pages have a track on them for it to follow. And as you can see, there's a picture of, various things going on. So this is just sort of like a little village. The train can go to the zoo. The train can go to like out at a little town, I guess, and out in the mountains. But there are, lots of opportunities to talk about just what people are doing and whatnot. Anyway, but the most exciting thing about this book is that you wind this little train up and then you set it on the track. I'm going to do a little visual here, see if you can see. And then it goes. And it just goes and goes and goes on the track. So, my 1-year-old squeals every time we get this book out. She loves it so much, and it's so much fun. And I mean, she's not really, doesn't have many words yet, but I can obviously tell she's communicating that she wants more of this book. So I think this is like an absolute must if you are working with kids who are requesting and are motivated by these types of things. It is so much fun, and I just think that every kid I've shown it to gets super excited. So if you have a kid that you're trying to break and trying to find things that they're motivated by and trying to get them to demand, this is the book for you. It's so much fun. So yeah, I hope you guys have fun in your therapy. I'm sure you're great at doing that, but I hope these books can help you find some more fun things to do as well.